So I want to talk a little bit about safety for setting up and carving. You want to just make sure that your block doesn't slip around as you work. So I suggest a couple different things. Depending on if you bought one of the lino block or lino cutting kits, say from Speedball, some of them come with what's called a bench hook. And it might be something like this, but metal, that you can also use as an inking plate. But it's great for using as a brace for carving. Because as you could see from the gouges, when we push with the gouges, this just gives us more leverage with which to add more pressure without having our hands in the way. What's really cool is if you could get a bench hook that has like a notch in a corner, so then you can also work at like a diagonal angle and you can turn your block around as needed. Now, if you do not have something like this, I would suggest getting a non-slip mat of some kind. They have at Home Depot and I think even at grocery stores, they sell these as either drawer liners, or you can get, I think they're also used for carpet non-slip mats to go underneath carpet so that carpets don't slip. But these are great, and if you could cut down a size to fit your block, that would be great. And so it won't completely prevent it from slipping, but it will add friction to it so that it won't move nearly as much. And the last option, you can brace your block up against a wall, either on the floor, if you can sit on the floor, or if you have a desk that butts up against the edge of a wall. Depending on how much you think you might slip or make accents, you might put a couple layers of like cut up cardboard or something similar between your block and the wall. So in case your tool slip, you don't gouge your wall. But this should give you enough pressure that you can carve right into it, and it'll give you good leverage.